If you pay 10% commission to sell your boat, about €500,000, I have bad news for you. You are still paying for a technology from last century. My name is Sergey Sinitsyn, and I tell you a new way to sell your boat. I show you how our new technology replaces outdated brokerage selling process. Our platform makes the process of selling so easy. You create your listing once, and BoatYouNeet platform publishes on 30 global and European platforms immediately. Most people think they are paying for brokers for expertise. Actually, you are paying for slow manual work. Many brokers still use Excel spreadsheets, WhatsApp and emails and manually upload your listing on multiple platforms. All of that takes time, and time costs money. Large agencies and brokers have offices, assistants, management and back office team, and somebody needs to pay for that. Who pays for all of that? You do. The best problem on the market, the lack of transparency. A boat can stay 6 months on the market and owner has no idea what's happening. How many buyers view it? How many inquiries came in? Most sellers simply doesn't know that. We approach the problem like a software company, not a traditional brokerage. Instead of adding more people, we created a technology. You create your boat listing just once. Then our platform creates pictures, descriptions and different formats and publish it all over the world, more than 30 marketplaces. It happens automatically. If you change the price, everything updates in a second. Instead of waiting days and weeks, worldwide buyers can see your boat immediately. Boating market speaks many languages. You live in Spain and your boat can be in Croatia, and you will receive a call from German buyer. No broker can answer every call in every language 24 hours a day. Our AI assistant can. BoatYouNeet speaks multiple languages and replies immediately. It also asks important questions. What is a buyer's budget and what's a reason to buy a boat? Are they seriously looking or just browsing? BoatYouNeet qualifies every lead and sends complete conversation with status, hot, warm or cold. So our team spends time only on real buyers. With BoatYouNeet, you always know what's happening. Inside your dashboard, you can see how many people viewed your boat, which marketplace performed the best, how many inquiries you received, and the status for every buyer conversation. No guessing, no waiting. When it's time to close the deal, buyers' funds are protected with escrow accounts. The money stays secured until survey is completed and all documents are signed. This protects both buyer and seller and removes many risks that still existing on the traditional market transactions. People can ask why we charge such a small commission, up to 3%. The answer is simple. Technology. Automation does the most work that people get used to do manually. That means our cost per qualified buyer is much lower than traditional brokerage. We don't need a huge offices. We don't need a large administrative team. We scale with the software. For a 100 boat, seller saves from 5 to 8,000 and sell the boat much faster than in traditional way. If you want to sell your boat faster and reach all European market by one click and stop paying €1,000 for outdated brokerage services, click the link below. Register on BoatYouNeet, get the boat valuation for free, publish your boat and let technology do the hard work. I'm Sergey Sinitsyn, founder of BoatYouNeet. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the water.